My channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And I just got done reviewing this Juno & Co. Where did I put it? The Juno & Co. Microfiber sponge, which will already be up. So go check that out. And now I still have like eyeshadow palettes that are new to me that I haven't reviewed. So I'm going to go ahead and go into this. This is a Christmas / birthday gift from Summer. It is the Lime Crime birthday palette. If you don't know, all Lime Crime is vegan. So they haven't changed that with their new like CEO situation or anything. I am looking forward to this. I tend to have no problems with Lime Crime at all. Okay, let's go into these shades. They are so colorful. This is their most colorful palette to date. They've had the little Polly Pocket ones that like had 5 colors, and they had like kind of neutrally to colorful kind of thing happening in 5 colors. So, but just solid color. This is their first palette like this, and this is for their 10th anniversary. I'm excited to use these. You have 2 like metallic-y shimmers. These or 4 metallic-y shimmers. These 3 definitely have glitter in them. This is a matte, this is a matte, this is a shimmer, matte. So you're gonna have a colorful crease color no matter what you do. Because you need to see that up close, and you do have a nice little mirror, so I'll see if I can work with that. I'm gonna go with the Libra and like a little powder. Brush that in my crease. This is a Morphe brush, and Morphe is not my favorite. They're kind of scratchy, but except for my highlighter brush, I like my highlighter brush. It's almost like iridescent. It's pretty. Okay, I'm not like packing it on. I'm just kind of swooping it. Just want to see the pigment when sweeping it. It almost has a shift in it. I don't know if I can pack it on with this brush well, because this brush is not any type of dense. Not exactly what I say fluffy, because the bristles aren't soft, but it's like not dense. I'm going to go into the orange, which is called 10. I'm sorry, that purple is called Libra. Which, you know, October, pretty much Libra sign. I guess it makes 10. There we go. And it's a very bright orange, so I'm gonna start doing this motion to really get it to show up. I'm so out of it, I forgot to set my eyeballs. So I'm gonna leave this side alone. I'm just going to show you set and not set, or primed and not primed. I forgot to prime my eyeballs. Take this side off and leave this side alone. And we're just going to see how like one side compares to the other. And if it's totally horrendous, I'll take off the other side too. It's more like in the long run, or sometimes if I blink, if they're not held on well, they'll like crease because I've got these sunken in hooded eyes. Usually with bright, it makes a difference to have a primer on. This one does a decent job of like color correcting, or like, you know, just a little bit. It's not like over the top kind of the white base or anything. Back into Libra. Boo, are you trying to visit me? Good enough. We're gonna go and take 10 again, just neon orange, basically. It's kind of neon. It's neon. It's past pumpkin. It's a little neon. There are so many pretty shades I want to try. Okay. I'm probably gonna go like tri-color on the lids, like I go. Just gonna have to roll with me. I'm gonna take the Luxie 239 and it is cleaned off. I'm gonna go dry on both sides in this Tunicorn shade, which is this lavender kind of metallic like glitter moment. Oh, that is. Didn't get pigment, I got glitter. So we're gonna try it wet. I have my sprays in here, so get some on the brush. Spray the brush. Dab in a little bit more. Okay, and then you got some pigment. Almost like a top coat, so I'm guessing if you went like a dark base, that would show up really well if you had a white one, but probably like a dark black one. Still, even wet, guarantee that the glitter will probably get on your face. Just saying. It's a little finesse and probably show up a little bit better with the glitter glue, because glitter glue would actually hold on to the glitter and pigment. I'm gonna go into Rose Burst. That color mix. That one has a lot of glitter as well. And a little bit better with that type of brush though. But glitter glue would be your friend with this palette. Blue Sky. Let's see how that one works. I have a feeling all these are gonna be like that glitter formula. Yeah. That one, like, I'm getting nothing but glitter. So we're just gonna go ahead and wet it and read it. Oh my gosh, that one's like topper. What is wrong with you? That one's like uber sheer, like the pink had pigment, and even the purple one, but that blue one's acting way more sheer than I would have thought. See? I mean, it's showing up well, but it's really sheer and just like almost solid glitter. Like, I'm gonna go with this rat color, and I know it's going to change what it's going to look like on this edge. That shade, oh my gosh, glitter glue all the way once you want to go with your finger, and even then it's not. Not like I wanted it to be, like I dreamed it to be. More purpley than blue. I don't like that edge anymore. So we're just gonna go with that blue. Kind of chunky too, by the way. Take that wrap color, just that navy, and I'm gonna take Candles, which is yellow. take RSVP, which is like kind of like a coral with a gold glitter up in it. Take grass. I'm just experimenting and trying colors. That grass is pretty okay. Try this Kush again. Big old fuzzy wand from Milk. Which is part of my birthday present. Glitter literally everywhere. Awesome. Okay. Inner corner with the white, I guess. Y'all, I'm going to treat you to some swatches before I give you my opinion on this palette. Rose first, Frosting, RSVP, 10, missed a finger, Blue Sky, which is the sheer like topper one. Okay, Rose burst, Frosting, RSVP, that was actually really pretty. 10 and Blue Sky. Got cat's crawling on me. Alright. And then you got Grass, which is grass green basically. Lime Crime, which I didn't get to use. It's a glittery green shade. Candles. I'm just going to work on my bottom lash line. Cloud, which is actually a sheer white, but worked as inner corner. And Tunicorn, which is the sheer lavender, but wet. Was way more pigment than the blue one. Got Grass, Lime Crime. Lime Crime, Candles, Cloud, and Tunicorn, which looks sheer because that one really has to be applied wet as well. Libra, which is pretty lavender, and Wrapped, which is the navy blue. I was having issues with that showing too. Alright, there's your swatches. Okay, do we have which kind of party going on? Here we go. Okay, this isn't a bad palette. This palette, they made for fun, for their 10th anniversary to have fun, have a party on Crime. You know, they have hair dyes. They're more for the adventurous people. Their lip products are adventurous. Their highlighting shades tend to be adventurous. And I get that. This palette, you just gotta know what you're getting into. Like, I didn't know what I was getting into because I hadn't played with it, which is why you watch reviews to know what you're getting into. So definitely with Blue Sky and Tunicorn and even Rose Burst, to get those to apply well, you need them wet. Blue Sky, really I had to dig in with my finger to get it to apply, and I think it would have benefited from a glitter glue, especially that shade. Even though I got Tunicorn and Rose Burst to show up wet, a glitter glue would have made them even more impactful. The mattes are beautiful. 10 was beautiful. Libra, that lavender was beautiful. They blended fine. Grass was fine. Wrapped, I don't know if my eye was a little wet and that's why I was having a problem because the outer V thing worked fine on either eye. So that one might have been just more. I have a feeling you might have that problem with Candles and Cloud if you intended to use it with other than a smudge brush. I was able to get the candles to show up, but I'm thinking on the lid you need it probably wet. Cloud was actually swatched really sheer, so you're probably going to need that wet or glitter glued. So let's see, I tried RSVP. RSVP actually had pigment on the lash line with a smudger brush, so though it is shot with glitter throughout, but it is not the same formula as Blue Skies, Tunicorn, Rose Burst, or even Candles. Candles has that formula. So I have a feeling there's pigment and glitter just shot throughout. so those probably will show up without a glitter glue, but I didn't test them on my eye. I tested them on the lash line and they did show up fine. Mattes are great. It's just, this is a palette that you need to have something to wet your brush with. You need to have patience. You need to apply it before your makeup, especially if you don't have glitter glue, because I have glitter all over underneath my eyes, on my nose, especially that blue shade. That blue shade might be almost I was just having to go with my finger to even get it somewhat to show up. And it just shows it mostly blue glitter. So there's that, but the rest are fine. It's just you need a glitter glue with this palette a lot. So as long as you go in knowing that you need a glitter glue with this palette, I think you'll be fine. It is very vibrant, very pretty, the color wise. I would like to try the other colors that I smudged out on my lash line, like the green, the frosting, the RSVP. I didn't try the lime crime. I don't think I tried the frosting either. I tried the RSVP and the grass on my lash line, and even candles. So I want to try those next time. I actually try this palette. So it's a vibrant palette. It's just going to be a little messy. Or a lot of messy. But as long as you know that, you're good to be good. So anyway, thank you, Summer, for sending it to me. It's just not a bad palette. But if you're not willing to take the time with this palette, you are not going to enjoy this palette. And I think it has a bit of a learning curve to this palette, so I wouldn't bust it out the first time for a date or a wedding or even work, really. I would bust it out when you are testing it out, or you have a free day, or you're just hitting Walmart or something. Like, shock them with some color. That way you can see how it wears just in that kind of setting where you're not having to wear it all day if you make a mess with the glitter or something. And I think even with the glitter shades, some of them, I don't know, they might be okay if you already have the glitter glue on your eyes and it's tacky. But even wet, I had glitter fallout issues, so yeah. So there's that. And that blue shade, since it wouldn't come off of a brush wet, I don't know if it would come off with glitter glue on your eye, and the only way might be with the finger, so that shade just might be like. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!